Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC40 Recharge T4 Plus in stunning blue. This powerful 1.5-litre petrol-electric engine with automatic transmission is perfect for those seeking comfort, style and safety on the road. With features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and ambient lighting, this estate car has it all. Not only does it offer luxury trim and security features like ABS and multiple airbags, but it also comes with a comprehensive warranty and a full multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive home in the Volvo XC40 Recharge T4 Plus. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive with peace of mind in this top-of-the-line vehicle.